I'm James Cedar with Atlantic Power and Lite. One of the big things about this job site is there's other tenant spaces that we deal with on a daily basis. The Glide definitely helps because a lot of times we do get shut down for noise complaints. With the MC Glide, it's a much quieter product, so we don't get shut down as much. It's a great product.
I work for APL and I've been pulling wire for 4 years.
I'm Nick Hicks. I work for Atlantic Power and Lite. I've been pulling MC for 3 years.
I think the MC Glide was a great idea.
I was a little hesitant, then I started looking into it. The new jacket's smooth, so made it really easy to pull. Gave it a shot and it was amazing.
One thing that surprised me about the Glide was it feels very light and easy to pull.
One thing that surprised me about this is the amount of strain on your body the other MC puts on it because you're pulling it for 8 hours a day. You got this, feels like you can go for another 8 hours and you finish. So it doesn't really get caught on anything, pulls through studs easily. This is all in all just an easy to pull product. It makes you quicker too. Today I'm pulling the MC Tuff, the regular MC. See how this goes.
And today I'm pulling the MC Glide.
Harrison, I'm gonna smoke you in this race.
Nick, there's no chance. I got the Glide.
I don't care. I'm the fastest wire puller around.
Let's see.
All right, so today we had a little competition. Harrison was pulling the Glide, I was pulling the Tuff in round one. What'd you think? Who do you think was gonna win that?
I thought I was gonna win, no doubt about it.
I mean, for sure I thought I was gonna win even though I had the Tuff. I thought I could find a way around it, but it just didn't happen.
MC Glide. Today I'm pulling the MC Tuff. Is it the MC or the men pulling the MC?
Today I got the Glide and I'm here to prove that it's not the man that pulls it, it's the product.
Okay, we're gonna see about that.
Round two, I had the Glide. Harrison had all the momentum, but he had the MC Tuff. And did you think you were gonna win that one?
I thought I was gonna win, but I realized it wasn't the men behind the wire, it was just the wire, so I gave you that.
Yep, smoked him. I'd like to see Glide across the field in all different types of MC, but I think next in line should be the Luminary cable.